On August 28, 2009, Mark Saylor was going 120 miles an hour in a loaner car from a Toyota dealership. In the car with him was his wife, daughter, and brother-in-law. Now, this brother-in-law called 911 while in the car, and I have to warn you, what you're about to hear is horrific.
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
Accelerator step.
I'm sorry?
Accelerator step. We're going 120, Mission Gorge.
Mark was trying to brake, but the car wasn't slowing down.
We're in trouble. There's no brake.
Okay.
In freeway half mile.
The freeway was ending and they were approaching an intersection with stopped vehicles.
We're approaching the intersection.
Okay.
We're approaching the intersection. Hold on. Pray.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. Oh.
Okay. Hello?
To avoid hitting other vehicles, Mark drove the car off into a ravine.